I've made it my mission to do as much work as possible, but spend the least amount of time doing it. I know, it sounds a bit evil. In the past few months, I've been making it my life's mission to use as much AI tools as I can, and it has made a huge difference. So I thought, hey, let me share the knowledge. I'm going to show you 4 AI tools that will make you a rock star and save you a lot of time. I'm starting off strong here. Adobe Firefly is an AI image generation tool, meaning it creates art based on whatever you tell it. So go to firefly.adobe.com and sign in or sign up for the beta. Now, there are a few cool products that we can use. The text-to-image feature basically does what it says. This is where you tell Firefly what you want and it will create the image. So let's say I want to create an image of a chipmunk looking at bar charts. Because hey, I like chipmunks and I like bar charts. And here, Firefly will start to generate the image. You just wait a few seconds and there we go. Your prompt is now in image form. And here you can see several options, like you even get to change the style of the image. So if you want to move from art, which is more an artistic outlook of your prompt, to maybe something like photo, you can see your image now becomes a bit more realistic. If we change to graphic, it becomes more cartoonish. The benefit here is that you can create whatever image you want and add it to your presentation, content, notes, etc. It just gives it that good creative flair. The other cool feature is generative fill. This is where you can remove certain aspects of your image and AI can add specific things, like changing the background of a photo. So here I uploaded a photo of a woman and then I wanted the background removed. So I clicked on background and it removed the background. And in the prompt, I said, change the background to a coffee shop. And all you need to do is just wait a few seconds and there we go. My photo now has a background of a coffee shop. You can even swap items in your photo. So for instance, in this photo, if I color the iPad and then change the prompt and say, make her hold a book, and you can see that it actually replaces the iPad she was holding to a book. Now, sometimes it doesn't look real, and that's because it's not. And AI can only do so much. But this is really great for quick edits where you don't really care about quality. Now, if you need to create a presentation, but you don't want to do the hard work, that's basically me, well, Tome App is actually your solution. The concept here is that you can generate whole narratives just on one click. Let's check it out. All you need to do is go to tome.app and sign in or sign up. And now all you need to do is click create. Select create a presentation about, and now you can say whatever you want. So I'm going to type in create a presentation on the skills needed in data analytics and how to learn them. And now you just need to wait a few seconds and you get a fully fledged developed presentation. It includes agenda, the text, and even the images. And I've done this a few times. The content is great. You can even record a voiceover to your presentation slides and even change the format and style of your slides. Now, unfortunately, to export this, you are going to need a paid plan. But I mean, the content is there and you can always just copy and paste. So by now, you must have heard of Notion. Notion is this really popular note-taking app. I use Notion multiple times a day. You can create notes, give it sections, create databases, etc. But the real moneymaker here is Notion AI. Because with Notion AI, you actually get this virtual assistant that can help you take notes and summarize text, reword phrases, create action plans, and even brainstorm ideas. So all you need to do is go to notion.co and sign up. And this is what you can do. You can summarize text quite quickly on Notion. So let's just say you have a wall of text that maybe you don't want to read. You can just summarize this using Notion AI. All you need to do is type in your text, select it, and then select Ask AI. If you click Summarize, it will then summarize your text into a nice paragraph. This is also great for studying. Also, sometimes when you are writing a paragraph, and maybe you know you can improve it, you can actually ask Notion to improve your writing. All you need to do is select the paragraph, select Ask AI, select Improve Writing, and now it will give you suggestions. The next feature is action items, which is a really cool one. So let's just say that you have been taking notes for a meeting, and you just have a long paragraph of everything that happened in the meeting. You can ask Notion to actually develop action items based on your notes. All you need to do is select the note, right-click, select Ask AI, select Find Action Items, and now Notion will create a nice list of action items that you need to follow up on. Those are just a few features that I love about Notion AI, but there's more. You can ask it to brainstorm ideas. So if you open a new page, type /, select See More, click Brainstorm Ideas, type in whatever you want to brainstorm, such as brainstorming ideas on creating YouTube videos about data analytics, and then watch it do its magic. And using this very same process, you can actually ask AI to create blog posts, social media posts, fix grammar, etc. And my final tool, which is one of my favorites, is called Otter Ai. And I can't believe that this is free. Otter AI is an AI meeting assistant. It can record audio, automatically capture slides, and transcribe your meetings. It even generates summaries of your meetings. So if you have a lot of online meetings or even online lectures, this is a tool you need. All you need to do is go to otter.ai and sign up. Once you sign up, all you need to do is connect to your calendar, such as a Google Calendar or Microsoft one, and that's it. Now, every meeting you have, Otter AI will automatically join it to capture notes. It transcribes the meeting, shares it with participants if you want, and even lists keywords. It also keeps track of all your meetings that you've had and gives each meeting a nice summary. I find this is really awesome if you have a meeting and you really don't want to waste time taking notes and you rather concentrate to what the participants are saying. The free plan gives you 300 minutes a month, which is decent for a free plan. It's definitely a good tool to try out. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, please subscribe. Also, if you've come across any other cool AI tools, let me know in the comments below. Until next time.